Which is better to protect your assets for your family in the event of death or incapacity, a will or a trust? Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Neal Bartlett, and I founded Island View Law. We specialize in helping people protect and transfer their assets from one generation to the next. Managing your estate is one of the toughest challenges your loved ones will face when you're gone. Today, I will break down the difference between a will and a trust and help you determine which option is best for your situation. As we get older, it becomes more important to have clear instructions about what should happen to your assets if you become incapacitated or you pass away. You might have asked yourself, is a will enough, or maybe, do I need a trust? I get it. It can feel uncomfortable or even a little scary to make a will or start planning for the end of your life. But let me ask you this. Would you rather be in control of your estate or leave it up to somebody else? After all, you've worked your whole life to build up your assets. Shouldn't you be the one to decide who gets them when you're gone? A well-crafted plan will ensure that your assets are transferred to your beneficiaries in the way that you want. It can help prevent family disputes and costly conflicts down the line. But here's the thing, a simple will is not enough anymore. Think about this. What if you were to leave everything to your spouse and then they remarried? Your assets, everything you worked so hard for, might go to their second spouse and not your children. And that happens all the time. And what if your spouse ends up needing long-term care or ends up in a nursing home? Those costs could wipe out all of your hard-earned assets, leaving nothing for your kids or your grandkids. So even the best plans should be reviewed periodically. Make sure it still aligns with your goals and your wishes. And here's the big issue with wills, especially in California. It will have to go through probate. Probate is an expensive, time-consuming, and public process. It can take up to a year, or even longer if there's any conflict or issues with the will. And while all of that is happening, your estate is tied up in the court system. Most importantly, a will only takes effect after your death. What if you need protection during your lifetime too? That is where a trust comes in. A trust is a potent tool because it helps you to avoid probate and protects your assets during your lifetime and after you pass away. There are different kinds of trusts to consider, like an irrevocable life insurance trust, an asset protection trust, a special needs trust, or just a standard revocable living trust. Each has their own benefits and uses. The right type of trust for you depends on your unique situation. And that's why working with a qualified estate planning attorney is essential to discuss your options and to plan properly. We're here to help you navigate these important decisions. Let us help you determine the best way to protect your family, your assets, and your legacy. Head to our website, linked in the description, to find out more and to schedule a consultation with us. We'll analyze your entire situation and create a clear plan to ensure your wishes are fulfilled. Don't wait, protect your family today so your legacy is secure for tomorrow. We look forward to helping you protect what matters most.